Mechanical keyboards are renowned for their superior tactility, durability, and aesthetics. With numerous options available, choosing the right one depends on your specific needs, whether you prefer a compact layout or a full-sized keyboard. Both wired and wireless models are compact keyboards with laptop-style layouts to full-size keyboards. Most of the keyboards below use a 75% layout, which is a compact form factor that maintains a function row and arrow key cluster, like most laptop keyboards. It's a great place to start unless you really want an attached number pad or know you prefer a different layout. While any keyboard can be used for gaming, this guide focuses on the best keyboards for typing and general office work, so input latency and polling rate weren't major deciding factors. If you're after a keyboard specifically for gaming, these ones are not the best options. Here goes our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description below. Number 5. Epomaker TH80 Pro. The Epomaker TH80 Pro is a versatile and affordable wireless mechanical keyboard that delivers strong experience and a range of useful features. Priced competitively, it supports both Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity, allowing users to switch between up to 3 devices seamlessly. The TH80 Pro includes hot-swappable switches, making it easy to change switches without soldering, and features a volume knob for convenient audio control. The keyboard's 75% layout offers a compact design while retaining essential keys, omitting the numpad to save space. It is constructed with a plastic case and steel switch plate, providing a lightweight yet durable build. The TH80 Pro also comes with Mac-specific keycaps, and its customizable layouts can be adjusted using software compatible with both Mac and Windows systems. While the TH80 Pro may not match the premium feel of higher-end models like the Keyron Q series, it offers a pleasant typing experience with its crisp PBT keycaps and smooth stabilizers. This keyboard provides excellent value for its price, making it a strong contender for users who want quality and affordability. For those on a tighter budget, the TH80 Pro is an attractive option, offering a solid combination of features and experience. Number 4. LTC Nimble Back. The LTC Nimble Back offers impressive value for its $43 price, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious buyers. This 65% mechanical keyboard provides a range of features that make it stand out in its price range. It includes hot-swappable switches, allowing users to easily replace switches without soldering, and features shine-through RGB lighting for a customizable visual experience. A notable feature is the built-in USB hub with 2 USB Type-A ports, which enables users to connect additional peripherals directly to the keyboard. Despite its affordability, the Nimbleback's build quality does not match that of higher-end models. Its plastic construction results in a less solid feel compared to more expensive keyboards. The switches, available in blue, brown, or red, unbranded, can feel slightly scratchy, and there is a noticeable rattle on larger keys such as the spacebar. The overall typing sound can be somewhat hollow. Additionally, while the keyboard is reprogrammable, its companion software is only available for Windows. Despite these limitations, the LTC Nimble Back offers a satisfactory typing experience and performs well compared to other similarly priced keyboards. For those who prefer a larger keyboard, 75% and full-size versions are available, providing more layout options. Overall, the Nimble Back is a solid budget option. Number 3. Keyron Q1 Max. The Keyron Q1 Max is a premium mechanical keyboard that represents a significant upgrade from more affordable models. With a higher price point, it offers a robust aluminum chassis and a gasket-mounted plate, which contribute to an enhanced typing experience and greater durability. This keyboard supports both Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity, offering users flexibility in how they connect to their devices. The Q1 Max also features hot-swappable switches and is fully compatible with VIA software, allowing for extensive customization and the ability to program macros directly into the keyboard. One of the Q1 Max's standout features is its built-in volume knob, which provides a practical and convenient way to adjust audio levels without needing extra controls. The gasket-mounted construction not only improves typing comfort by offering a cushioned feel, but also helps reduce noise, making it ideal for extended typing sessions. Number 2. Low-Free Flow 84. The Low-Free Flow 84 is a stylish, low-profile mechanical keyboard that caters to users who prefer a sleek, minimalist design reminiscent of laptop keyboards. Its 75% layout includes all essential keys while omitting the numpad, providing a compact yet functional design. The Flow 84 features hot swappable switches, which makes it easy to change switches without soldering, although it is limited to low freeze-cale switches due to its pin layout. The keyboard is constructed with premium aluminum, which enhances its durability and aesthetic appeal. It connects wirelessly via Bluetooth, ensuring a clutter-free workspace and providing convenience for users who prefer wireless setups. The Flow 84 is known for its impressive battery life, allowing it to function reliably for extended periods without frequent recharging. The typing experience on the Flow 84 is excellent for a low-profile keyboard, with a satisfying tactile feedback that rivals other options like the new PHY Air 75, which was previously favored. Despite the limited switch options, the Flow 84's superior build quality and experience make it a standout choice for users who appreciate a sleek, modern design. Number 1. Keyron V1. The Keyron V1 stands out as an excellent entry-level wired mechanical keyboard, priced around $84. It offers an impressive array of features that deliver significant value for its price. Key features include hot swappable switches, which allow users to easily change out switches without soldering, and full programmability through via software. This software is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux, giving users the flexibility to customize every key function and program macros directly into the keyboard. The V1 features a 75% layout, which provides a compact design while retaining essential keys, such as the function row and arrow keys. This layout is ideal for those who prefer a more streamlined keyboard without a full numpad. The V1 is equipped with RGB backlighting and double-shot PBT keycaps, which enhance both durability and typing comfort. Its build quality is robust, giving it a sturdy feel that rivals higher-end models. For users who require wireless connectivity, the Kyron V1 Max offers Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz options, but at a higher price point. Despite this, the V1 remains a top choice due to its affordability and comprehensive feature set. It strikes a balance between experience and cost, making it an excellent option for both new and seasoned mechanical keyboard enthusiasts looking for a reliable and customizable keyboard without breaking the bank. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.